Merry Christmas, everyone, and welcome to my channel, BellsRides. I'm Belle. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's episode is the 5th pick for the 12 ideas for stocking stuffers. On the 5th day of Christmas, my tree love sent to me the tile mate. This is really cool. You get a 4-pack of tile mates for $49.99 on Amazon, and what they are is little tiny tiles that you could put in your wallet, put on your bike, whatever, so that if you misplace it, or like in the honoring ones, in their circumstances, on your bike, and you can locate your bike. I used this in my son's wallet when he first started traveling with the rugby team. He was only about 14 years old and I was concerned about his safety, so I put one of these in his wallet. A few years later, actually it was like 3 years later, he had a pretty severe motorcycle accident and his wallet was to locate his wallet. It's pretty awesome. So you get a 4-pack for $49.99 on Amazon. You can get it other places, but it's just really convenient through Amazon. And that's my 5th pick for the 12 stocking stuffers at 12 Bells of Christmas. So until next time, enjoy the ride.
Cause